Hey, what's up? My name is Adam, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to protect a PDF from copying and editing with Kahana. Kahana is a cloud-based platform that allows creators, coaches, experts, researchers, anybody to upload all types of files, resources, and material and curate it into a hub where you can collaborate, you can monetize it, you can do so much with it. There's so many things you can do with Kahana, and one of those things happens to be protecting PDFs from copying and editing. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Before we dive into the video, I want to be completely transparent that if you're using Kahana for free on the free plan, you may not be able to do this if your PDF is over 5 megabytes because there is a limitation on the free plan. Of course, I'd love to invite you to watch through the end of the video, see if this setup works for you, and there is a way to do this. It's here for you if you want to take advantage of it. With all that out of the way, let's just dive right into the video. With a normal PDF viewer, anybody can easily select the text and copy it. With Kahana, this ability has been disabled. It's not possible to select any text or copy it. As a viewer, you can still do all of the same things that you normally can do, like navigate through different pages and ultimately view the information. You can watch it in presentation mode. You can even access other settings that will allow you to navigate. So there isn't any restriction when it comes to this viewing experience. The only thing that's missing is that ability to copy and edit. So there's simply no way to do it. You can try it out yourself and test it out, but I assure you there is no way. And once you're ready to share the PDF, you can create a link and copy that and send it over. To create a free account, you can go to kahana.co or click the link in the description of this video. And then once you've created your account, you can go ahead and start by creating a new hub or using the one that's there for you. I'm just adding some cover photos, a little bit of information. Next, you can just drag and drop the PDF or click the cloud upload button to toss it in there. After it's done loading, you should be able to share it and nobody will be able to copy or edit. So that's mission accomplished. Thank you so much for watching till the end of this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.